Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through resetting your Mi WiFi Repeater Pro. If you're facing connectivity problems or want a fresh start, this step-by-step process will help. Stay tuned and follow along for a smooth reset experience. Let's dive in. To begin, find the reset button on your Mi WiFi Repeater Pro. It's usually located on the side of the device. You'll need a small pin or paperclip to press it. Ensure you have one handy before proceeding with the reset. Make sure your Mi WiFi Repeater Pro is securely plugged into a power outlet and powered on. You should see the indicator lights on the front of the device. Place it in an area with a stable power supply for optimal performance. With your pin or paperclip, press and hold the reset button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Observe the LED indicator light as it begins to blink, signaling that the reset process is now underway. Continue holding until you see this blinking. Once you've held the reset button for the required time, release it. The Mi WiFi Repeater Pro will now restart. This process might take a couple of minutes. You'll know it's complete when the LED light stops blinking and returns to a steady state. After the reset, you'll need to reconfigure your Mi WiFi Repeater Pro to connect it to your network again. Open the Mi Home app on your smartphone and follow the setup instructions. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy.